Are you tired of seeing all those videos and money gurus explaining how you can make 10K monthly with affiliate marketing? Do their promises seem too good to be true? Well, we want to help. First, let's be clear. Making 10K per month, or even 20K is possible. But it doesn't come out of nowhere. You need to know specific ways to earn and succeed in affiliate marketing. It's not just about signing up and hoping for the best. It's about understanding the market, finding the right products, and connecting with the right audience. And creating traffic. That's where the most significant issues are. Click the link below for the training that changed my life and the lives of friends struggling to pay bills and mortgages. We were just like you, tired of living a miserable life, being slaves to bosses, accounts, and banks. But that's all in the past now. We've found a way out and want to share it with you. Join the largest affiliate marketing community and online training website, and discover the freedom to make money online. We're here to help you kiss your day job goodbye. So what are you waiting for? Click the link and start your journey toward financial freedom today. Feel free to share your experience with us, so that we can help others shift from being a slave to free human being. From our point of view, a human right.